In a bowl, add 200 grams of sugar, 80 grams of brown sugar, an egg, in a pan, I'm going to melt 190 grams of butter along with 190 grams of dark chocolate. Add your second egg and then your third egg. Once your melted chocolate has cooled down, add it to your mixture. Vanilla extract to taste. Add in 85 grams of flour along with 40 grams of cocoa powder. Add in 40 grams of white chocolate, 40 grams of milk chocolate and 30 grams of chopped walnuts. Bake it in a preheated oven on 180 degrees for 18 minutes. And here is the final product. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you guys in my next one. Bye!